Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll do a little series today on Secure Boot. A lot of people were asking questions. I was talking about last week in a video about the Secure Boot keys that are being updated for security reasons, and there's tons of questions that came with that video that people have, including how to know if you have the latest Secure Boot keys, if you have Secure Boot enabled, and many other little things. And we'll start with the basics. The basics is, what is Secure Boot? Secure Boot has been basically installed by manufacturers. A group of manufacturers got together to kind of look at when your PC starts. At the most basic level, when you turn it on and you're still not in Windows, how do you keep everything safe and everything from being tampered? It's kind of a tamper-proof type thing. Of course, like everything, and there's always somebody somewhere is going to say, well, it's not secure. It's very secure. It's just that, like everything, it's not 99%. There are, things happening out there that could modify the Secure Boot. But in general, you want Secure Boot to be enabled. If you're using Windows, it adds a layer of security. What it does is verify the signatures of anything that is going to run before you get to Windows. And it will also look at the signature of the bootloader of Windows. All of that to make sure that you stay safe. If there's a tamper, if there's been a change, the keys won't match, so it will not boot up. It will stop. And the reason is we do have, BIOS level, UEFI BIOS level malware now. And that means that you could have a virus that boots up with your PC that you just can't get rid of because it's always there. So Secure Boot tries to make all of this more secure by verifying the keys. And the keys are provided by the manufacturer. So there's the basic keys from your manufacturer. And actually, I enabled Secure Boot on this PC for the purpose of making this series of videos. I had noticed that Secure Boot was enabled on my laptop, but it was not enabled here on the PC. So now I have it. You could see Secure Boot here. So there's also other ways. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to know if Secure Boot is enabled. I'll also have a video of where do you enable Secure Boot. And finally, we'll have videos of how to check if your keys have been updated. Now, it seems that Microsoft has pushed a lot of the keys to PCs with the February update, and we're going to check that out. So Secure Boot is essentially, at its simplest form, a way of verifying that everything that boots up with your PC from the BIOS level to Windows, that everything has a signature that makes it authentic and that nothing has changed or it hasn't been modified. So it keeps a certain level of security, and that security relies on the keys that the manufacturer gives out, or sometimes it could be a third party, could be Microsoft sending out boot keys to stay safe. Those boot keys actually are at the level of the encryption of all of what Secure Boot can do, so it helps keep your computers safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.